DADgrind. Alright you guys, so today, can we make this Harbor Freight welding cart even better? Well, let's go find out. So, currently I got a Millermatic 141 welder, and it does not fit on this cart. I mean, so this Harbor Freight cart is only 40 bucks, but this is one of Miller's like smallest welders, so it should fit here. I think the reason why it doesn't fit is because it has these bolts right here, and those bolts, gotta get your light, stick out, and this thing freaking rests right on top of it. Like if those bolts weren't there, this would fit perfectly. So I think what I'm gonna do is take this all apart, clean up this section right here, get all that paint off, and then just weld this to here. That way I can get rid of those bolts and my welder can actually slip in. So let's go get started on that. Okay, so as you guys can see, I ground down this outer piece to this tray, nice and clean, so I'm just going to weld them together. And that way I can just take out the bolts, the same exact thing over here too. You guys can't see, it won't focus, but beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll get welding. Use alcohol before you weld. Just clean up, get all the oils off, and just so you have a cleaner weld. So let's go ahead. We'll do that. Oh, maybe not use a paper towel because now it's all thickened. Let me go grab something else to use instead of this because that just all tore apart. I should have known, but whatever. This is probably going to tear apart as well, but we'll try it. Oh no, a lot better. Alright, so we'll clean that. Clean this. Okay, we'll clean up over here. Alright, we'll let that dry, then we'll start welding. You know what, I actually forgot this there for some. I'm gonna weld this. This seam is right there, so I'm gonna grind this little spot down, get this nice and flat, just like how I did over here. I don't know if you guys can see the two separate metals, maybe. But I'm gonna do that real quick, clean that off, and then we'll get to welding, promise. Okay, you can probably see the two different metals here a little bit better. You can see where they join, so that's where I'm going to be welding. Right there, now I'm just going to clean this up, and well, for the 8th time now, we're going to get welding. Alright guys, so with this Millermatic, all you got to do is just basically set your wire, which I'm using 023, because I'm basically using welding sheet metal, and then you just set your material thickness, and it basically is perfect settings from there. I mean, you can fine tune it if you want, but I've noticed that these are pretty good settings. Well, I hope so. They come from the Miller factory. So I got this little gauge right here. So let's go measure the thickness. Let's go right here. Looks like it is 18 gauge. You guys can't see that, can you? Focus. Focus. I command you to focus. Alright, well, it's not listening. Alright, but you can trust me. It's 18 gauge, so I'll go set up the welder for that, and then we'll get going for the 9th time now. A little jumpy. I'm gonna go adjust it a tiny bit. Alright, let's try that. A lot better. Listen to that. Settings are the most important thing. Did some spots. Can't really see. And I did over here. Wah-ba-ba-bum. Alright, I'll grind that down, make it look pretty, maybe spray paint it, take all the bolts out, and then see how she holds. When you grind it down, you can really just see where your welds are. I think that should be good enough to hold it. Alright you guys, so she's all done, took all the bolts out, and she is rock solid. Alright guys, and she fits a million times better than she did before. Yep, I actually got a welding cart that fits my welder now, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys buy this $40 welding cart and your welder doesn't fit, just do that, and it'd be cool if you made a video and tag me in it, you know, just saying, hey, it worked for you. So alright guys, hope this helps someone out. I know there's gonna be people out there saying, oh my god, you ruined that $40 welding cart, you should never touch a welder again. Well, guess what? Fuck off.